Hey guys, Nick Joseph and welcome to Code Red Defense. We always say never turn your back on your attacker, but I've seen so many people do this mistake because we assume that when I've spoken to the guy, and let's say I've shaken hands and said, alright man, it's all good, like I'm not gonna fight. I've literally seen guys in clubs outside, and most of the fights I saw in clubs was standing as a doorman past 2 o'clock. I tell people, you wanna see a fight? Go to a club at 2:30 in the morning, stay there till 4, I guarantee you're gonna see a couple of scraps. Why? Because that's when people get drunk, that's when people are either, didn't have a good night or didn't have fun, or, the guy didn't pick up the girl, or the girl, rejected him, so there's all this ego and everybody's fucking pissed off. You go outside the club, they hang around, and you'll see people fight for the dumbest, stupidest things. And I remember one fight I saw, the guys were talking, the guy basically diffused the situation. He's like, all right, man, he turns around, boom, the guy just fucking nails him right behind. Guy didn't see shit, falls on the ground, he starts stopping him, his friends jump in, the other guy's friends jump in, brawl breaks out, just like that. So, what do you do if you're faced with an attacker? Obviously, I want to get out, I want to leave. Well, if let's say number one, if the guy gives me a hand to shake my hand and say, all right, man, it's all good. If I shake somebody's hand, sometimes what I'll do is just this, I'm like, cool, or most of the time, I just do this, all right, it's all good, man, because I don't want him to have a hold of me, okay? So if he's like, all right, man, if he does this, it's all good, man, it's all good, and I'll walk away. When I walk away from an attacker, I walk away looking at him until I see him turn around. Once he turns around, I always boom, I don't keep my eye off him. I'll turn around every 2 seconds until I know the guy is clear. Believe it or not, I can't even believe we're making this video, and as much as we know it, I see people get caught and hit with this shit. So one, avoid giving your hand, just bump fist him, walk backwards, keep your eye on him until you create a lot of distance, and when you turn around, what I do is I look behind to see, oh, did he just shift now because he's waiting for me to turn around, so I create enough distance to get out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very easy and simple tip, but it's freaking crucial that you guys do this, because like I said, I've seen too many people get knocked out with something as simple as this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and stand strong.